Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Alexandria with NPM 32 and my friend.
My name is Dwi Jayanti with NPM 29.
Here we will present the material is a crisis in classical physics. The first material will be present by me. Foundation of classical physics. Classical physics is a branch of physics that development rapid from the 17th to early 20th century, based on deterministic and mechanistic principles. Two main foundations of classical physics are Newtonian mechanics and Maxwell electromagnetism. Meanwhile, James Clerk Maxwell unified the law of electricity and magnetism into four equations known as Maxwell equation, describing like as a electromagnetic wave and laying the groundwork from technologies such as radio and telecommunication. Classical physics with development from the 17th to early 20th century is based on deterministic and mechanistic principles. Number one, Newtonian mechanics. Isaac Newton, three laws of motion and universal gravitation explain and predict the motion of objects from everyday item to planet. Two, Maxwell electromagnetism. James Clerk Maxwell unified electro and magnetic law into four equations describing light as an electromagnetic wave and enabling technologies like radio. Three, core assumption. Determinism is a future behavior of a system can be exactly prediction from initial condition. Psych of crisis in classical physics. By the late 19th century, several experimental results began to contradict classical physics, signaling a crisis that led to modern physics. One, black body radiation and ultraviolet catastrophe. Classical theory prediction infinite energy at high frequency contradiction experiment Max Planck resolved this is 109 by proposing that energy is quantized, marking the birth of quantum theory. 2. Photoelectric effect. Classical wave theory could explain why low frequency light, like as particle with energy proportional to frequency. 3. Automatic stability. Classical model predicts that orbiting electron will lose energy and collapse into the nucleus. 4. Gas behavior at low temperature. Classical kinetic theory failed to explain the drop in specific heat of gases near absolute zero. Quantum theory via energy quantization provide the correct explanation. 5. Conflict between Newtonian mechanics and electromagnetic. Newtonian mechanics predict varying light speeds based of observed motion, but experiments show light speed is constant. This inconsistency led E.D. Einstein to develop special relativity in 1905. Next material with my friend.
Implication and impact of the crisis in classical physics. The crisis in classical physics at the end of the 19 countries shook the long established foundation of science, affect, affecting not only theoretical physics but also the scientific worldview. One collapse of the mechanics and determine few quantum phenomena reflect the determined prediction for atomic scalar introduction understanding and progression into physics theory. Two, re- realization of classical physics. Limitation classical laws were found to be valid only the microscopic cycles and law of speeds. 3. Birth of modern physics. Special relativity and quantum theory energy to explain phenomena beyond classical research forming the basis of modern physics. 4. Philosophical and scientific. In fact, science began to seen as dynamic and open to revision, aligning with Thomas Kuhn's concept of paradigm shift in science development. 5. Technology and advancement. Modern physics led to breakthroughs like transistor, laser, computer, GPS, and exception communication system, driving 20 and 21st century technology. Next, response to the crisis. The crisis in classical physics led to revolutionary theories that become the foundation of modern physics, quantum mechanics and relativity. One, quantum theory. Planck introduced energy quanta 109 100 Einstein explained the photoelectric effect with the first 10905 and Bohr proposed a quantum atom model 10913. 2. Theory of relativity. Einstein in special relativity 10905 relevant absolute space and time, assuring light speed in content. 3. Birth of modern physics. Modern physics emerged exclusively describing both the microscopic quantum and cosmic relativity realms and enable advanced theory like computer, laser, and GPS. Next. Conclusion. The crisis in classical physics marked a turning point, reflecting in the limitation of Newtonian mechanics and Maxwell's electromagnetism in explaining phenomena at very small scale of Higgs speed. Despite this, classical physics remains as full for everyday application and serves a foundation of advanced theory. The crisis led the major scientific breakthroughs explaining quantum theory and relativity, proving more obscure phenomena for understanding the universe. Rather than a failure, it was a productive shift that demonstrated science dynamic nature, always affling short question and raving exchange theory.
Okay, that's all from us. Thanks for watching.
Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.